So you're probably quite familiar with Newton's first law. Newton's first law tells us that an object at rest remains at rest, and an object in a state of motion remains in a state of constant motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. So let's consider this book, which is at rest. Well, we know there are some forces acting upon it. The gravitational force is pushing it down. So what Newton's first law tells us is that there must be an equal and opposite force pushing it upwards if it is not moving. So in this case, the table is pushing up on the book. If you're sitting down at the moment, then you're pushing down on the chair, and you can probably feel the chair pushing up on you. Now, the reason why Newton's first law can be slightly confusing is that in our everyday life, there's a whole lot of forces which we don't always think about. So, for example, with this book, if I push it, it moves, but then it comes to a stop. So the reason it comes to the stop is that there's a frictional force which is acting in the opposite direction to its direction of movement. So when we're considering things in everyday, they tend to not keep moving because there are external forces acting upon them. Of course, if I push something in the space station, in that case, there is no frictional force acting upon it, so it will keep moving in a straight line uninterrupted.